Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Lyrics or melody? In this video, I'm going to challenge you to try a rather counterintuitive approach and write your melodies before the lyrics. You will feel a little silly at first and sound ridiculous whenever you listen back to your voice memos. Oh, la 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 li la 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 ba ba bo bom 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 la 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 la. But you see, by waiting on the words, you can spend more time making sure that your melodies are indeed catchy, that they get stuck in people's heads, or at least get stuck in your head. Let's dive a little deeper into this, shall we? So first of all, what is melody? Well, for songwriting purposes, a song being music and lyrics, it is the musical way in which lyrics are sung. It's the thing that creates an earworm when a song gets stuck in your head. So it might feel funny at first, but let's go back to our roots. Before we had language, we had simple sounds. So when we're writing our melodies, we're going to set down our fancy vocabulary and we're going to pick up our oohs and our ahs and our la la las. For fun, we've created a melodic language chart that gives you a bunch of different sounds to choose from when you begin to experiment with this. It might feel odd at first, so just having some different sounds to choose from should help you. So why, when we're writing our melodies, do we not want to use actual words? Well, there's a couple reasons. First of all, by not using words, we're able to really focus on the melody itself, to be more precise and intentional about it, and to make sure that it is actually catchy. And how can you tell if a melody is catchy? Well, is it easy to repeat? 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 And can you yourself remember the melody and consistently repeat it? If you want someone to sing your song, make it easy for them to sing along. I didn't mean for that to rhyme. The other reason that we don't want to use actual words is because we'll start to judge ourselves too much. We might think like, oh, that's lame, that's stupid, why am I writing about that? And it might throw off the writing process. And really, we're just trying to make sure that we're writing melodies that are catchy and interesting. Hey there, hi there, ho there, hope you enjoyed that video. That was a clip from my songwriting course, the Songwriting Workshop. If you liked this, and if you got value from it, and you are interested in learning more about the Songwriting Workshop, then just click on the link in the description below this video. I've got over 40 videos like this one that walk you through the entire songwriting process, and there are exercises along the way. Not like CrossFit or yoga exercise, songwriting exercises. And if you follow along with me throughout the Songwriting Workshop, you have a brand spanking new song by the time you finish it. That's my guarantee. Oh, and I don't care if you like or subscribe. That's up to you. You do you, boo.